Inyo beimmuid fálam de phrása Gaeilge. Today we'll be learning 10 Irish phrases. Phrásaí a úsáideadh tú a ríist is a ríist dela. Phrases you'll use again and again. Ní phrása castaíd seo. These are not complicated phrases. Is phrásaí simplí úsáideacha iad gur féidir leat a úsáid láithreach. They are simple, useful phrases that you can start using right away. A raibh, a shane, a dó, a trí. An chéad rása ná duit. The first phrase is duit, or hello. Go díreach cílín duit bíoch dia lat. Literally, duit means God be with you. Ach úsáid mar hello in Gaeilge. But it is used as hello in Irish. Mar hampla duit a hain. For example, hello Shane. An dara phrása ná Conas atá tú. The second phrase is Conas atá tú, or how are you? Is phrása an úsáideach é seo mar leor. This is obviously a very useful phrase. Mar hampla duit Conas atá tú. For example, hello, how are you? Ach tá leaganacha difriúla de Conas atá tú mór himpeall na hÉireann. But there are different versions of Conas atá tú around Ireland. I gconachte cloisí tú go minic cén chuí bhfuil tú. In Connacht, you'll often hear cén chuí bhfuil tú. In Gaeltacht ulla, cloisí tú go dé mar atá tú. In the Ulster Gaeltacht, you'll hear go dé mar atá tú. Agus I go mún, cloisí tú Conas atá tú. And in Munster Irish, you'll hear Conas atá tú. Tá siad ar fad ceart. They are all correct. Míle dennevat ach ceanháin aránu agus é a úsáid. All you have to do is choose one and use it. Má chuireann duine cheisteirt, Conas atá tú. If someone asks, how are you? Is féidir leat a rá, tá mé go maith. You can say, tá mé go maith, I'm good. No, tá mé go breá. Or, tá mé go breá, I'm fine. Tá an dá cheann an chutínta. Both are very common. An chéad rása eile ná gur raibh maith agat. The next phrase is gur raibh maith agat, or thank you. Is dócha gur bé seo cheann de na phrásaí is tábhachtaí sa teanga. This is probably one of the most important phrases in the language. Is féidir freisin gur raibh míle magat a rá. You can also say gur raibh míle magat. Go díreach cílín sé sin míle buíochas. Literally, that means 1,000 thank yous. Agus má deir duine gur raibh maith agat leat, and if someone says gur raibh maith agat to you, is féidir leat a rá, tá fáilte rót. You can say tá fáilte rót, you're welcome. Mar hampla, gur raibh maith agat, tá fáilte rót. For example, thank you, you're welcome. Is phrása an úsáideach é seo I gná córá. This is a very useful phrase in everyday conversation. An sin tá leid the hull. Then we have leid the hull, which means please. Úsáid nuair tá tú ag iarraidh rud éigean ar gcoinne. You use it when asking someone for something. Mar hampla, cupán té leid the hull. For example, a cup of tea, please. Is phrása beag simplí é ach tá sé tharbheith úsáideach. It's a small, simple phrase, but it's extremely useful. Tá bailí eile ann freisin chun leid the hull a rá. There are also other ways to say please. Mar hampla, má sé de hull é, no, mar a bhis de leat. Má sé de hull é means if you please, and mar a bhis de leat means kind of if you don't mind. An chéad ceann eile ná tá brón orm. The next one is tá brón orm, which means I'm sorry. Úsáid nuair tá tú ag iarraidh leithscéal a gháil. You use it when you want to apologize. Mar hampla, tá brón orm bhí mé déanach. For example, I'm sorry I was late. Is phrása an chutínta agus an tábhachtach é seo. This is a very common and a very important phrase. Mar rabha eile is féidir Gabh leithscéal a úsáid freisin. You can also use Gabh leithscéal as an alternative. Go háirithe chun ard duine aáil nó I gcásanna níos formáilte, especially to get someone's attention or in more formal situations. An chéad rása eile ná míle is agam. The next phrase is míle is agam, I don't know. Bei an phrase seo an úsáideach dit go minic agus tú a fólam. This phrase will be useful to you very often when you're learning. Mar hampla, míle is agam cá bhfuil sé. For example, I don't know where it is. Agus ná bí bortha úsáideann gach fálamór an focail seo. And don't worry, every learner uses this phrase. Nota beagella, má tá tú géirí I don't understand rá. A small note, if you're trying to say I don't understand, is féidir leat ní thuigim rá. You can say ní thuigim. An naoú frása ná ceart leor. The ninth phrase is ceart leor, which means okay or all right. Úsáid tar éis sa gná chaint an tamar fad. It is used in everyday speech all of the time. Mar hampla, ceart leor, feice mé hu níos déanaí. For example, okay, I'll see you later. Is frása iontach é seo mar tá sé gearr, shimplí agus áisiúil. It's a great phrase because it's short, simple, and very useful. Agus an frása deireanach ná Slán. And the final phrase is Slán, which means goodbye. Is féidir leat é úsáid nuair tá tú ag imeacht nó críochnú chóra. You can use it when you're leaving or finishing a conversation. Mar hampla, Slán agus feice mé hu go luath. For example, goodbye and I'll see you soon. Tá leaganacha eile an freisin gosúla, Slán go fóill agus Slán abhaile. There are other versions too, such as Slán go fóill, which means bye for now, and Slán abhaile, which is safe home. Sinead de bhrás a Gaeilge a úsáidú tú a ríist is a leithscéal. So those are 10 Irish phrases you'll use again and again. Má tá tú ag tosú amach leis an Gaeilge, is áit iontach í seo le tosú. If you're starting out with Irish, this is a great place to begin. Fáilim na frásí seo, clocht de gíd os ord, agus buin úsáid astú nórs féidir leat. Learn these phrases, practice them out loud, and use them whenever you can. Agus más mín leat dúlán a chorótain. And if you'd like to challenge yourself, tá leagan clochtaí agus leagan lán Gaeilge den ísean seo. I've made an Irish practice version and a full Irish version of this video, ar fáil ag an nascís, available at the links below. Go dtí an cé ceann eile, Slán go fóill, a Shane a dó a trí.